Hi, Cass. Have you ever asked yourself why in our universe there's something rather than nothing? Well, the reason you can't answer it is that it's an irrational question. Yeah, the logic is straightforward once you define what science is about. Science, rational explanations. Irrational explanations are certainly not a part of science. An example of an irrational explanation is, for instance, when someone states that he moves a concept. In science, we can only say that we move objects such as rocks or trees. It is irrational in science, for instance, to say that you move love or intelligence. Science is divided into two branches, physics and philosophy. It explains causes and mechanisms. Philosophy deals with purposes and reasons. When you ask, why is there something rather than nothing? You are not asking what caused or by what mechanism did matter come into existence, because you cannot even imagine a mechanism in which something arises from nothing. No, the strategic word why in your question is not alluding to how, meaning cause or mechanism. You are asking a question of purpose and reason. You are asking, in essence, for what reason did someone create something? What was their purpose? What you're doing is taking for granted that there is someone out there that had a purpose in mind for creating matter, and you are now at the next step asking why. You are asking what was going through their minds? For what reason did they do it? You are unwittingly packaging a question of philosophy in the guise of physics. You are formulating a question of purpose and reason in terms of causes and mechanisms. Why is there something rather than nothing? The quick and dirty answer is it's an irrational question, and therefore outside the bounds of science.